Lesson: Building a Definite Chief Aim. Introduction. Most people go through life without ever deciding what they truly want. That's why they never reach greatness. But those who succeed in wealth, health, relationships, or purpose all have one thing in common. They had a definite chief aim. What is a definite chief aim? It is a clear written statement of what you want most in life, your main goal, your life's mission. Without it, your efforts are scattered. With it, you become focused and powerful. Why you need it? You cannot hit a target you cannot see. Zig Ziglar. A definite aim gives you clarity. It keeps you motivated during tough times. It helps you say no to distractions. It allows you to say yes to your dream. How to build your definite chief aim. Be specific. What exactly do you want? Set a deadline. When will you achieve it? Know your why. Why does this goal matter to you? Write it down in the present tense with belief. Read it aloud daily, morning and night. Repetition builds belief. Sample statement. I will become a successful entrepreneur earning $10,000 per month by January 2026 by helping people through digital coaching. In return, I will give my full effort, discipline, and passion. Final thought. Success begins with a clear purpose. Decide what you want. Make it your mission. Burn all other options. When your aim becomes definite, life stops being random. It becomes powerful, intentional, and full of momentum. Shot lesson. Building a definite chief aim. Success doesn't come by accident. It starts with a clear goal. When you know exactly what you want, why you want it, and commit to achieving it, that's your definite chief aim. Write it, speak it, believe it, and then live it every single day. Because a focused mind is a powerful force. Success never happens by accident. It begins the moment you ask yourself,